Hello my dear friends. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where we bring you creative and inspiring ways to enhance your home with natural, rustic charm. In today's video, we're diving into the timeless beauty of rustic woodcraft as home decor, a style that blends warmth, authenticity, and nature to create inviting, cozy spaces. Whether you're looking to transform your living room with handcrafted wooden furniture, add charming decorative accents, or incorporate reclaimed wood for a sustainable touch, rustic wood decor offers endless possibilities. From DIY projects to beautifully crafted statement pieces, rustic woodwork embraces imperfections like natural grains, knots, and weathered textures, giving your home a unique and personal character. We'll explore stunning design ideas, share tips on how to incorporate rustic wooden elements seamlessly into any space, and even guide you through some easy DIY projects to bring this aesthetic into your home. So, if you're a fan of cozy interiors or love the idea of repurposing wood into something beautiful and functional, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest home decor inspirations. Let's get started. Rustic woodcraft as home decor embodies a timeless appeal that blends natural beauty with functionality, evoking warmth, nostalgia, and a connection to the earth. Rooted in traditional craftsmanship, rustic woodwork offers a distinct aesthetic that harmonizes effortlessly with a variety of interior design styles, from modern farmhouse to industrial chic. The charm of rustic wood decor lies in its raw, imperfect, and often reclaimed nature, celebrating the knots, grains, and weathered textures that tell a story of history and heritage. This organic quality sets it apart from mass-produced, polished furniture and decorations, offering an authenticity that is both visually appealing and deeply comforting. The beauty of rustic woodcraft lies in its versatility, allowing homeowners to integrate handcrafted wooden elements into different spaces, from living rooms to bedrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor areas. A rustic wooden coffee table, for instance, can serve as the focal point of a living room, creating an inviting atmosphere for guests while adding character and depth to the space. Similarly, wooden shelves crafted from reclaimed barn wood provide a practical yet aesthetically pleasing way to display books, plants, or antique pieces. The natural tones and textures of wood complement neutral color palettes, making rustic decor an ideal choice for those who appreciate understated elegance. Handcrafted wooden furniture plays a significant role in rustic home decor, with dining tables, chairs, and cabinets often showcasing the artisan's meticulous craftsmanship. A well-crafted wooden dining table, whether made from oak, pine, or walnut, becomes more than just a piece of furniture. It becomes a gathering place for family and friends, embodying tradition and togetherness. Chairs with distressed finishes, chiseled edges, or intricate carvings add to the rustic charm, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Similarly, wooden cabinets with iron hardware or barn-style doors contribute to the nostalgic and homely feel of rustic interiors. Beyond furniture, rustic woodcraft extends to decorative accents that infuse spaces with warmth and personality. Wooden wall art, for instance, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to add a rustic touch without overwhelming the space. From handcrafted wooden signs with inspirational quotes to intricately carved panels that depict nature-inspired motifs, these pieces bring an element of craftsmanship and storytelling into the home. Wooden picture frames, often made from reclaimed wood, offer a beautiful way to display cherished memories while adding texture and visual interest to walls and shelves. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for rustic interiors, and wooden light fixtures contribute significantly to this ambience. Chandeliers crafted from wood and wrought iron exude a cozy, vintage charm, while pendant lights with wooden accents create a soft, diffused glow that enhances the inviting atmosphere of a room. Table lamps with wooden bases, paired with linen or burlap shades, further emphasize the natural aesthetic, complementing other rustic elements in the space. The combination of wood and warm lighting creates an intimate and relaxing environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. One of the most appealing aspects of rustic wood craft is the use of reclaimed and repurposed materials, which not only adds character but also promotes sustainability. Reclaimed wood furniture and decor pieces carry a history, often sourced from old barns, factories, or boats, each piece bearing unique marks of age and use. This eco-friendly approach to decor aligns with the growing movement towards sustainable living, allowing homeowners to furnish their spaces with pieces that are both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Whether it's a dining table made from salvaged wood beams or a headboard crafted from repurposed doors, these items breathe new life into old materials, reducing waste while preserving their intrinsic charm. Rustic wood craft also extends to functional decor elements such as storage solutions, organization systems, and kitchen accessories. Wooden crates, for example, can be repurposed as bookshelves, storage bins, or even coffee tables, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Wooden spice racks, utensil holders, and cutting boards add warmth to kitchens while serving a functional purpose. Even small touches, like wooden coasters, trays, or napkin holders, contribute to the rustic theme, demonstrating that even the most mundane household items can be elevated through thoughtful craftsmanship and design. The appeal of rustic wood decor is not limited to interior spaces. It extends seamlessly to outdoor areas, enhancing patios, porches, and gardens with its natural charm. Wooden benches, Adirondack chairs, and picnic tables create a welcoming and relaxed environment, perfect for outdoor gatherings and quiet moments of reflection. Wooden planters, trellises, and garden signs bring a rustic touch to greenery, seamlessly blending with nature while adding a handcrafted touch to outdoor spaces. Even simple elements, such as a wooden swing or a handcrafted birdhouse, evoke a sense of nostalgia and tranquility, making outdoor areas feel like an extension of the cozy interior. DIY enthusiasts and artisans alike find joy in crafting their own rustic wooden decor, as it allows for personal expression and creativity. Simple woodworking projects, such as building a wooden headboard, crafting a farmhouse-style dining table, or repurposing pallets into wall art, provide an opportunity to create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect individual style and craftsmanship. The process of working with wood, cutting, sanding, staining, and assembling, offers a satisfying hands-on experience, making the final product even more meaningful. Additionally, DIY rustic decor allows for customization, ensuring that each piece fits seamlessly into the intended space while holding sentimental value. And that wraps up our journey into the world of rustic wood craft as home decor. We hope this video has given you plenty of inspiration to bring warmth, character, and a natural touch into your living spaces. Whether it's a handcrafted wooden table, reclaimed wood shelving, or DIY wall art, rustic wood decor adds timeless beauty and charm to any home. Remember, the key to rustic style is embracing imperfections, knots, grain patterns, and weathered textures all tell a story and add personality to your space. Plus, by using reclaimed wood or crafting your own pieces, you're not only creating a unique home aesthetic but also making a sustainable choice for the environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite rustic wood craft idea? Are you planning a DIY project? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Kuki Decor, and stay tuned for more creative home and lifestyle content. See you in the next video.